Let's get started. With Gemini for Workspace, I'm able to have a much clearer view of what's important. I'm Donovan. I'm the Senior Director of Strategic Alliances at Fullstory. Fullstory is a behavioral data analytics platform, and we help our customers understand what their visitors to their websites and mobile apps are doing. We surface the sentiments between the taps and the clicks to help them have much deeper insights into how those properties are performing. Fullstory has used Google Workspace since the very beginning. We currently leverage every part of Google Workspace, including Gemini. Google Workspace is the way Fullstory collaborates, and we go to great lengths to ensure that our data remains in Google Workspace because of the benefits we gain in terms of efficiency as well as security. Security is essential to everything we do at Fullstory. Our customers trust us with their customers' data, and that informs our insistence on keeping collaboration data safe within Google Workspace. We can define extremely complex policies around how this sensitive data is shared and viewed, and at any time we can change those policies as the needs of the business change. The security benefits of this really cannot be overstated. It's critical to be purposeful and find solutions from a vendor that meets your needs without compromising your security. Gemini has the same security posture already built in that we have existing with Google Workspace. I think it's also important to foster a culture of experimentation and giving access to these tools for your employees to experiment and to learn. Any employee at Fullstory can have access to Gemini. We have a self-service system in-house that we use to allocate licenses. And if a user thinks they'll leverage these capabilities, we encourage them to do so. One of the things that we've been doing is taking our meeting notes and summarizing those into a structured format that we can then turn into, using Gemini, a script. I then feed that script into a new Google product called Vids, and Vids is creating a high-gloss 30 to 60 second video with full voiceover and imagery that allows us to then share that content out to our customers and prospects in a really unique and differentiated way. The amount of content that we can produce in the course of hours versus what normally would take weeks or even months has been astounding. One of the other things that we're finding extremely valuable about Gemini is the way that it can be used within the Fullstory product itself. So we capture all of the data associated with a web session or a mobile session, and we structure that data. But now with Gemini, we can summarize that session and feed it into Vertex AI, which can be used to help power a more informed or contextually aware chatbot, or perhaps help a support agent get to a resolution more quickly. We're seeing a lot of uptick in the efficiency and rate at which people are able to engage with content, create that content, get it out to customers, get it out across various channels. There's a little bit of magic to it.